the procurement cycle. Some say a process. What started with baby, na a run na sako end. The next time, sana started. So it started from the planning stage. Over planning and son over also okwa kotosa watching. You sure say product we say cryptolipis kahon. Crypto. Now crypto we over planning and yes also sorry na wakoto. Over planning. O planning as part of the planning also okay sourcing. Until if a pan and back to sa product way, sa raw material way, and yet the sourcing. Then let me identify that area and then you go to contracting because public sector no, we don't go to the bush. Mean surrounding the exact place we know. Though you were fair ideas in Ghana here and even outside Ghana, areas to be able to locate cryptolipis. But yen to me they need to be an bit me say bush through suppliers and ayenya sa produce way. So over contracted suppliers, at least you will supply and demonstrate another one how we handle it at the center. Suppliers, they know they know the areas to go and then bring it. We pick it in bulk. And so no baka 1 kilo ha, adebachi no akwaji another 2 kilos ha, or the boom no the abaya na yaje. Then contract management. Unto one must supply another contract and so on for sani mana ebano. Obey then a manage processes and supply relationship here, it matters as part of the contract management. Kasakra over kasachra no. One she year next on you become from bro. Then storage. Unto the near man bar. What do we call store? I call store. Also management. A lot goes on there at the stores. At the stores. Meaning say ebenage there more use just in time production and now more procure near to. But storage matters a lot. Then distribution, spelling here wrong. It should be this distribution. Near man na edwenu kra produce no Herbal plus. Any distribution crampo mo kwembe na mo fa mo be distribute. If a bia say kwembe number for are disposing of. And so then after all this, then you do the evaluation of the process. Say niyama na me ya no. It is saying cause ye lapses be na metimi ehu identify next time betimi correct. That's the evaluation. Niyama anko ye no. Then you try to work on them, identify them, and still work on them. So Hanam is the same thing. The process, more explanations eba under the public sector na bibi amewono user department bachelor say director here crypto and mahogany 10,000 kilos wa churo memo na director approve say procurement we refer to take action on that, the initiation, the planning that goes into it. And why some sourcing, may explain that pre-qualification of potential suppliers. Why identify suppliers by if your suppliers by 10. But this particular item na me here no. Hina beti mi hanya mame. Very reliable. Ombeya no quality so. Odba bani neat. Problem bi eni ho. Ompeso ba je the air contaminated. Udba produce it. Ade ba china FDA aba. So ba je akwa egu. And your sourcing. Then even negotiation. A price no if you say 50 cedis so memo 45 cedis. Nina. It's about the sourcing. Contract management. So, hanam no. Often say equipment na yetono. Ye mostly yetono man ye free. Ana answer na yeka. Aban side ye terms can come mount. Say jina fani mabreye. Yes sir. The baby ano. Ye odbaba answer. Ye jituma said your the panel and no na odi abana answer na ebe process say moska. Okay, evaluation. Just as the America initial no. She near mana cost no. It is saying the performance of all these purchasing functions, the processes. You identify the efficiency. Hana had ya timia ye jimani ye kama. Eba area had ya anshada ankwe ya meye. And ankwe ya meye. Kwembe na eba fan next time be eba correct your mistakes. Storing. Nema best store ya handle on Saturday because storage so. One area ebenage grow no there will be a time where you will have maybe stores department. Under the storage, I'm treating it as a full topic. Slice no very very crucial. Say na anape we na boss say na onokra na onim say way bill na invoice differences wom. Ebe show wa ha. If I miss repeated there or chiraman. Okay, me repeat wa. Very very crucial. Mo some years back, few years back, tama central medical stores. Eja to honum ana edrua yes toma hospitals wa Ghana. Me nyina ahye. Ina na yete asam na man. Obi ante asam na da. Edrua no nyina ahye. There must be certain control systems put in place to prevent some of those things. Ebi wo honum a intentional. Intentional esi de bia public sector de esi de bia intentional. Echa say bia o ma balance niam ni bia fi store. Ebeba out. Auditors beba think say auditor ba kasa wa anam last week. Ebeba out. You can't hide it. Eba out obey den. Normal shada plan enye nipa ba akọ ketel. O ma kwoto eje maybe kerenzinga kromo de abegu ho. Alight boom billions ahiegu. Because mu nim de o ma ye. Esi de bia. Offer ade ba akọ 1 kilo crypto echo out. O chine no wafa ba akọ. O chine enye business na ogunu. Business na ogunu. Nti we will treat that aspect for you to understand. Factors affecting the achievement of procurement objectives. What are the objectives? Objectives are you do price and quality ni sa no because those things no. But factors can also affect your performance. Professionalism a factor. Professionalism. Transparency. Manko we are products no. Be transparent. Procurement. Whatever you do it to the best of your knowledge. For you to say, wow, dear, now you're the right things at the right time. Value for money. Value for money, no. You can't value for money. It's not just about the cheapest or the least. Value for money, no. The quality of things that you do. Where you pick your raw materials from, the bottles, the quality of it, all put together will give you value for money. Value for money. Example, we say if you look at phones, if you phone, if you have all 5,000. Obi dia wo honom na ye 4,000. Obi dia ho na ye 1,000. An example is iPhone. Me sure say bebre mo hanom kuta iPhones, especially ladies, you know. Enya no kra na. Mama kuta iPhones. Then na on compare media ni bi wawe. Techno. Then ebia iPhone no obakwa akoto no 1,000 cedis no. Over away no so let's say 900 cedis, difference of 100 cedis. But iPhone nukten year, a bit more edwa kobeye 10 years. Let's say kota 7 years. But Huawei na take no. In 3 years time, 4 years time, let's all replace it. This idea ever say, can ever say expiring date by channel. And so that 3 years, what's to another 900 and 800. Within the 10 years, near Okotan iPhone 9 costing 1,000 Ogusukota. No, they know what's a son of 2-3 times. That's what we are talking about here. Competitive, accountability, fairness, efficiency, ethical approach, separation of duties. Ethical approach, ethics. You're sure say at your workplace, more ethics or ye way, men ye way. Ye way, men ye way. Follow the processes. Man fa ope. On ya engineer, also ope ya engineer. Engineer yuma. On ya electrical officer, no ope ya electrical work. Very dangerous. Separation of duties. Makadada. Separation of duties, on starters are the way, now all the alcohol end in totality. Ube do somewhere, no be so ajiafa, no so echo. Ube do somewhere, na ube say to so, na aqua end. Separation of powers, duties. So, Hanum say, be more private sector, the among here Hanum say match. Beba procurement in big institution, not just the public sector. Offer newspapers Obo even NGOs. Omo run adverts bi wo ho. Adverts no sometimes omo use procurement method. There were different methods na the procure niama based on niama na on here no. And a process supposed to use no. And no asam na pesa me mboso wa kakra. Ebi wo ho no mo wa peke me pay let's say bottles we. Under normal circumstance, oko direct, and I don't know ebony how you procure. Santa oko direct na ako supply and also in person obey bottle me. It tends to cost you more than obey request for quotations. So request for quotations, you know, nipa no nim say competition na bem, and you no kwa. Ebi wa pebni wa identify by 5 companies. Na wa chura momo. Say na bottle na me pe more price na me nhwe. Also more price na me nhwe. The same bottle also mama odie based on it. Then if obi at me meet the criteria no, then na wa take a decision say mmeto asmisi ho. But santa also ko nipa no ho sa no we ma onim say other people can ho a na afie no so checha no ho nti aban side de sa na yeye nti na wankasa omo respond ya na wa peke ba ko say mini we ba yema nti no na is request for quotation no. Then request for proposal bi wo ho no ma proposals not beba based on proposals similar to back no on for price and ka ho ye gitu ma say ye pese obey installation bi ma ye wa ha na obi ha de ko ba fa iron installations no or church mo owiya then you pick and invitation to bid and also the competition no there ubi ma ban Ghana nyina Ghanaians obi anko pre enti na me say ochinechi ye ho say ye be have meeting bi na ye ko tony me bi ba na scan do so nti chief executive grant me approve and ye dey ama Ghanaians say obi o ye interested bi abra and amanfo aye den aba forward nti ochinechi no mba tena ase na waka say okay yamfa mass mesi sana eti accountability no just hold on. Accountability. Yeah, no. At the workplaces, accountability matters. Accountability, it matters. Obi timi sorry amiko baby say amiko ejima mo obi private one. Yati honom cheye. Nipa na sense no pe baby akọ, ba no pentam. Bobi na employ. O ejima what your oka. So na wa bre aden ejima na ne papa dia na. Enga Ghanaians a statement we. Me sure say bebre akebida ana meboa. No correct. But ejima na si yes wa. We nya procurement o. What I'm just adding here, the word accountability in procurement no me de no ato nchen ana make asembi account mbese who the similarity procurement side then also relating it to your own self and then institution you are working for oye ni year business no cost year then e ba boa wo so na cost year na sika na se ba cost business no gu a oba then also ba kwa kote na fie nti sa na ye pass say Ghana the way Ghana say da no na Ghana ye de ama obi a nti dia obeye bia no ye wo akoma accountability. Oh yes, I know why you need efficiency. Why you need efficiency. Then no one individual in a procurement process should be responsible for requesting a procurement action, writing the specification of an item or scope of work. So I had them say, you know, Osha public sector. Santo bitime request for oko hospitals be brea. Oboku kona equipment si ho. Omuntimi use. Omwanya abotran take time asha the specs in the year. The other bad machines in ba be no. Ebe no cross ebetimi ayesa adwuma na mistakes aba. En na ye ka wa hanum say. Onto request no bi wo ho na wa request say boss. Saa de we ye hia na yetimi di adwuma we. Eni ho a say na ebeko. Ahosem ye bi. Result of upholding procurement principles. Increase efficiency in the procurement functions. Niema na ye boss no nyina no. Obi aye na adwuma yi a yoko procure niema na efficiency ebeba ebi ekoto croton na esi edi edura croton ye raw material ye de process eduru ene ye bema eduru process dia njuso na edi obi a ontimi njuso no increase in efficiency procurement operations become more effective obi na edwuma yi a the procurement process no ebe ye more effective in her profile of procurement. I don't person be brave because we should any procurement full procurement department. Yeah, well, other things some person best practically as we move forward. So high and wasted time.